In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Google Sheets quickly and easily. Whether you're working on a project, a budget, or just organizing some data, adjusting the font size can really help enhance readability and presentation. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Sheet document. Simply head over to Google Sheets and open an existing document, or create a new one if you prefer. Once the document is open and you have your data in front of you, the next step is to select a range of cells where you'd like to change the font size. To do this, click on the first cell in the range you'd like to adjust, and while holding down the mouse, drag it across the cells you want to include. Once you've highlighted the desired range, you're ready to modify the font size. Now, let's look at how to increase the font size. At the top of your Google Sheets toolbar, you'll see an icon with an uppercase A and a plus sign next to it. Clicking on this icon will increase the font size of your selected cells incrementally. If you're looking for a specific size, this button is a quick way to get there step by step until you're satisfied with how your text looks. On the flip side, if you find that the font size is too large, you can easily adjust it down. Look for the icon with the uppercase A and a minus sign next to it. Clicking on this will decrease the font size incrementally for the selected range. This is particularly helpful if you're working with limited space and need to fit more data on the screen without compromising on clarity. If you prefer to set a specific font size rather than adjusting it step by step, you can do so directly. Right next to those increase and decrease icons, you'll see a drop-down menu with numbers indicating font size. Click on this menu and choose the size that's most suitable for your needs. This method gives you precise control over how your data will be displayed and is especially useful if you have a standard size you're working with. And there you have it, a simple and fast way to change font sizes in Google Sheets. Whether you're presenting a detailed analysis or just organizing personal tasks, being able to adjust the font size helps ensure that your data is as clear and professional as possible. I hope you found this guide helpful, and as always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Happy data organizing!